Nikai presents 28th International Sindhi Sammelan in association with Alliance of Global Sindhi Associations, popularly known as AXA. We welcome you all. Dubai Organizing Committee Chairman, Mr. Paras Shedatpuri.
Important and privileged day it is for us tonight to host this 28th International Sindhi Sammelan.
Honorable Chief Guest from UAE, ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency Dr. Thani bin Ahmed Al Zayoudi.
It's really a pleasure to be here with you all this evening to celebrate another year of achievement for the global Sindhi community.